Today we dive into the enchanting world of painting poppies. But first, let's prepare our artistic arsenal. We're going in with the permanent red, your favorite paintbrush. But before we begin, don't forget to comment down below your favorite red. Normally we would prepare a sketch, but we're going in loosely, bringing the essence of these poppies to life stroke by stroke. Keeping it loose now, we're going into this permanent red, such a gorgeous red. We're allowing the paintbrush to dance over our blank page, stroke by stroke. We're just going to be allowing the paintbrush to dance over the paper, allowing the details to unfold, revealing the delicate curves of the petals in a subtle play of light and shadow. Our determination knows no bounds. With each passing moment, the poppies bloom, growing more vibrant and more captivating. Rinsing off the brush now, getting out this lovely vibrant green that we've made. Adding it into the bottom of this delicate flower. Just letting the green wash a little bit into that red. Using the point of the brush, swooping down for the stem. Now for the next flower. Going in back into this permanent red, so vibrant like it was made to paint poppies. Using the side of the brush, same swooping delicate motion, just brushing that brush across the paper. Swooping around, keeping it loose, just like poppies blowing in the wind. And just touching down at the bottom of these flowers. Swooping down, keeping it lean, as if they were just flowing in the wind. Adding a delicate base now. Rinsing off my brush now, going back into this beautiful green, going in for the last little bit of this painting in a few little more details, and we're done. Remember to comment and like this video, subscribe and hit that bell, and if you like this video, here's another one for you to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.